Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get refund on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app or visit the DoorDash website and sign into your account. Now go to your orders section and select the delivery for which you want to request a refund. Review the order details and make sure the order is eligible for a refund request. Next, scroll down and look for the Help, Support, or Report an Issue option. Select the issue that best matches your situation, such as a missing item, incorrect order, damaged food, or delivery problem. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide any requested details about the issue. If available, you can upload photos to help support your refund request. Once you submit the request, DoorDash will review the information. Some refund requests may be approved instantly, and you'll see a confirmation message right away. If additional review is required, you may be asked to create a support case or provide more information. In most cases, the support team will respond within 24 hours. If your refund is approved, it will be processed according to DoorDash's refund policy and applied to your original payment method, DoorDash credits, or your next invoice if you're using drive-on-demand services. You can also contact DoorDash support directly through the app or website if you need additional help with your refund request. After the review is complete, you'll receive a notification with the final decision and any refund details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.